Hey everybody. So my colleague Ryan and I set a goal this week to have a website for career cards ready by the end of the week that we could share with people. If you remember, career cards is one of the experiments that I talked about last week, and at the time I said we didn't have a website or anything for it, but the time for that has now come. And so today I went into build and focus mode and knocked out the whole website in an afternoon. I'll give you a quick preview. Ready? Pretty standard stuff, but it is a custom website. It's got a little checkout thing at the bottom. And it's, other than kind of some dummy content to swap out and plugging up some of the back end payment stuff, it's ready to go. And that's one of the cool things about having gone through this a few times is now I'm very familiar with the tools that could be used to set up a website. So in this case, I am using WordPress with a theme called Divi. That's basically kind of a build your own template tool. We'll be using Stripe and WooCommerce for the payment backend. And I think that's about it. So, one of the things that I appreciate about this idea of experiments is you kind of have to just identify what is the next big target you need to hit so that you can get the feedback that you need, get closer to a paying customer. And right now we're at the point where we've validated the cards. We know that people like them. We know they're effective. And now it's time to start scaling the sales and awareness engine, and a website is going to be really important for that. We need to be able to send people a URL so they can learn more on their own. We want people who like these cards to be able to share it with others. And it's not exactly rocket science or a profound revelation, but having a website in 2020 is a good thing. It's just not always the first thing that you need to do when you're starting a new experiment. But it is like number 10 or 11. I think that's where we're at. So hopefully in a few days I will have a website link out that I can share with you all, and you can take a look at it in more detail. So that's the update for the day. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have kind of more progress on that, maybe even a link to share. Have a good one. We will talk to you later.